Hey you all! On receiving so many queries on my Instagram after I uploaded a short video on loan repayment schedule, today we are diving deep into the world of finance as we learn how to create a loan amortization schedule using Microsoft Excel. So let's just get started. By the way, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, do consider it. I am super active there and answer so many queries. Alright you guys, loan amortization schedule is nothing but a table that shows the breakdown of your loan payments including principal amount, interest and installment over the loan period. To create our loan repayment schedule, we'll require few essential Excel formulas. Number 1. Function PMT. PMT function calculates the amount of installment which includes principal and interest on it. Let's see how it works. Here I have an example in which we have taken a loan of amount rupees 25 lakh for the period of 1 year will be repayable in 12 equal installments with the interest rate of 15%. Using the function PMT, we'll calculate our installment amount. It is asking for the rate. Rate is 15%. We'll divide our interest rate by 12 because the number of installments are 12. NPR is the period, so it would be 12 months. What is the present value? Present value is 25 lakh or the amount for which we have taken loan. 25 lakh. And then close the bracket, press enter. You have your installment amount. Next function we require is PPMT. PPMT enables us to calculate principal amount due in just some seconds. Coming to our example equals to PPMT in bracket rate. Again, rate with 15% divided by 12 because it's our number of installments divided by PER. PER means period for which we calculate our interest or principal like period number 1 or period number 2. Here in this column I have given the period number. So just click on this, comma, NPR would be the number of installments. So 12 and the present value would be 25 lakh. Bracket close, enter. Here you have your principal amount. Third function we require is IPMT, which calculates interest due and payable on used loan amount, which is included in the installment amount. In our example, it would be IPMT bracket open rate divided by 12, then PER for the installment number, NPR would be 12 and the present value would be 25 lakh. Bracket close, enter. Here you have installment, interest and principal. Let's just freeze our cells. Now select all these cells and drag and copy to others. Here you have got all the installment, interest and principal. Now to calculate the balance, use the sum formula plus the loan amount plus the principal. Why we are adding this? Because it's already in negative. Enter. Similarly, the next would be balance of previous year, add principal. And now copy it. At the end of the period, your balance should be 0. Now you have your loan schedule prepared. These 3 functions are really powerful tool of Excel. Please comment down if you have any queries. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more such Excel tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.